Right, okay, so I repaired the foot on the back of the 3D printed frame with rivets. You can't really see them sticking out too much because they were just long enough. And I put some super glue at the back to stop them slipping out, because they won't slip out now. And that's what they look like on the other side. 4 rivets, there's 2 on this side of the brake, and there's 2 on the other side of the brake. This was a bit of a job because the flipping wires kept getting in the way. Anyway, so let's have a bit. You can see these brackets are steel. These brackets are made out of steel, and I put heat shrink sleeving over them. I also filed the steel down. The heat shrink sleeving is to stop the wires from fraying on the metal, because the heat bed, which is currently down there sitting on the floor, the problem is if the heat bed is moving around, then these wires would fray on the metal. So anyway, basically it's secured so that the you can't fray and short anything out. Anyway, and the other thing that I've done today is secured the frame that was broken with 2 thick steel washers on each side, and it's bolted with a great big bolt to sandwich the 2 halves together so they cannot come apart. Plus it's riveted as well, so I've got 2 big rivets going through there. And as you know, rivets are vibration proof. They won't come loose like nuts and bolts do, so the rivets will be there for good until somebody draws them out. I have never seen a rivet actually, well, I have actually seen a rivet come loose, but that was usually under extreme stress when they've been jarred. But for something like this, or a 3D printer with just some vibration, no, they're not going to come loose. No, not them. They're extremely well jammed in there. So anyway, it's been a real struggle actually. It's taken me several sessions to get this side out, you know, with the mechanics. I've still got the not the turntable, what I'm saying, the hot plate. I've still got that to sort out. Oh, there's still broken brackets that go on the back of here, but my friend apparently made those, and the guy sent me them, and well, we can't seem to find the 3D designs for them. I've looked on the SD card that was actually left in the unit, and well, there don't seem to be the SDL files for those, so I don't know where the heck they are. Anyway, I'll probably have to ask him. He might still have them there at his place. Anyway, what else is there? Oh yes, obviously making those steel brackets is the first stage really, because the hot plate mounting was also broken. It was broken here. And let's get the light down here because you can't really see properly. It was broken on here as well. That's why I put an X there, because it was, and I've actually super glued it. Then I used fiberglass resin, epoxy resin, to bond, and basically painted it on because it soaks into this plywood anyway, and that should make a really good fix. And the next stage, when this is set a bit, is to make some steel things, just like I did down there, you know, with the rivets. Is to make some steel sections to go between the hull and part of the main frame. And I'm going to rivet those. Well, rivet one end, and the other end is going to be bolted by these bolts down here. basically. I might actually make an extra hole for a rivet. I might have a rivet there and a rivet over here, and have a hole on the end for the fixing screws. Yeah, so that way it will not move. Anyway, so we're still early stages at the moment. We've still got more to do, and well, the cost of this was to get all these new parts, get a new frame and everything would have cost £56. I just can't afford it, you know. It's just not right that we have to spend money because of somebody else's carelessness in delivering somebody's Christmas gift. It's just not right. So I'm having to fix this because of a postal service's carelessness. And yeah, I shouldn't have been doing this all right in the new year 2018. It's just not right somehow. But anyway, so anyway, that's it basically at the moment. There's nothing much more to say. I've still got things to do with this thing, and yeah, well, it's a lot of effort. I just hope it's worth it after all this. I really do. Anyway, thanks for watching. I can't remember which button I pressed now. Must be that one.